And what we do is, we almost have a unique way of, partnering with homeowners that are having distress with their homes. We want you to be better off, right, than what you were, prior to us meeting. And I feel like that should be the outcome.
I'd like to be in a better position to move forward.
Get rid of the stress that we've got, trying to figure out what the next step is,
Mm-hmm. Those days are over, y'all. But what's your experience been like?
Stress, anxiety over it. Just wanting to get out from underneath it and just move forward so we can get this into something better. That, it's kind of where we are. Yes.
Steps. And then what'll happen today, because we know, of course, for certainty, we've got that impending auction. So we'll have to connect with the lender and do what we do, right? And so we'll need, I think we had some authorization that was already done with you, and this will be done via DocuSign. So they'll send those directly. So the missus will have it, and it'll come to your email. Makes it pretty easy from there. And we can get all this wrapped up, get y'all moved to the next chapter.
Okay.